Hi guys, I'm James X, and I'm at Disney World, and I just finished going on Expedition Everest.
You did it! Well, dig this! Adventurers, set your sights on the Discovery River to get a gander of your pals Goofy and Pluto. The dynamic duo is on a quest to share all the delightfully ducky news about Donald's Dino Bash. Get this, Donald, as in the Donald.
Guys, now we're going on the safari ride. Hi guys, now we are actually on the ride.
500 in a nesting group. Both the mommies, they are 16 feet and 500 pounds. To live in a herd. A herd. Now this is babies and mommies here. When baby zebras are born, they will imprint upon their mommies their stripes, and so they can find their mommies within their herd. We know hey guys, make sure we're always staying seated, please. And they are nighttime hunters, not daytime hunters.
Okay guys, we just finished the safari ride. And don't forget to subscribe to @JamesX915.
Like that word and that word.
Okay guys, I think we're gonna end here because it started raining. So we went on every ride we wanted to at Walt Disney World.